Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use dual connection for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. So, right here I have a first device, what connected with the headphones and also have an application. And the second one, do not connect it with the headphones and also have an application. So, firstly, we need to use an application to enable dual connection, or at least check it, is it enabled. Open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and right here you will see the same menu, so just scroll down and go to additional settings. And right here, make sure that your dual connection is turned on, mine is turned off, so tap on it, and we just enable it. After that, open settings on your second device and go to connected devices. If you have Android, also click pair new device. If you have iOS, only open the Bluetooth. Then put your earbuds to the charging case. At the bottom of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this light starts blinking. Here we go, and it's blinking white, excellent, and we can see it at the device list. Now tap on it, and then click pair. And we just did it, we connect it, and if I go to the settings and to the Bluetooth on my first device, right here, tap on your device. It should be connected, but sometimes it happened, so just tap on it. Oh no, it's just a visual bug, because if I open this, if I click at the information icon right here, we have this menu, and if this earbuds disconnected from the phone, we can see device type, or we can disconnect or forget it. So it only a visual bug. Maybe I will only reopen it. And now, yeah, as you can see, I have connection both of the earbuds, of the devices with these earbuds. So we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.